Hey guys, and welcome to Where's the Scale. So I've been meaning to record an seowriting.ai tutorial for a while now, and now I have a special occasion since SEO Writing has just introduced GPT-4 128K. So we'll go over the main features of SEO Writing, we'll write an article together, and we'll be able to evaluate the content once again together, and I'll show you everything. So let's start with the keyword. The keyword in question is the one that has actually decimated both Agility Writer and Koala, which is free, Claude 2. And before we do, this is going to be my very simplified route to our dashboard. Here you can have the one-click blog post generation and the bulk generation. And since GPT-4 128K is still in beta, it requires your own API and it's costing more. What I would suggest is use that model for your money/pillar posts, but use GPT 3.5 for your about article generation for supporting tier 2 articles. So let's click the one-click blog post. Our keyword is free, Claude 2 alternatives. Now I would stick to medium because medium is plenty already, so 24 to 3600 words. Tone of voice, I've been using casual because in my testing, casual gave the best readability out of all the other tones of voices. The point of view, I've been using I for a while now. Target country is United States. Now, SEO Writing doesn't have the inbuilt interlinking feature like Koala or Agility. So what I've been doing, I've been playing around with this prompt. It doesn't work all the time, and I'm not sure if it's going to work this time. But basically, you are capable of including 3 relevant links. And with a simple prompt like mentioned below using rich anchor text, and I'll be using it for each section. And again, there are no guarantees that that's going to work, but I just want to test it out. Now for the images, I want the images. Let's leave it at 3. I think that's plenty. Image style, I like cinematic. But since we're talking about the tools, essentially, maybe, just maybe, digital art. Maybe that will do. Image size, I would leave it at 16 by 9. YouTube videos, yes, I want to use YouTube videos. Let's do a couple. Maybe we will choose later on the better suited one. And then I always choose the option to alternate images and videos. And I want all media elements to be under the headings. Then for the SEO, we'll go to Neural Writer, even though the SEO Writing has its own NLP capabilities. But since Neural Writer is known for LSI keywords, we'll just use that. And you can only use 150 keywords within SEO Writing. And they've actually improved that. I think it was 50 before. So we just paste everything here. For the structure, I want the conclusion, I want the tables, H3s and list yes, italics, quotes, key takeaways. I won't be doing FAQs. Bold yes, now connect to web, certainly. Let's look at the links, real-time search results, URL references. Won't be doing any custom references here, just real-time search results. Now publish to WordPress, just to show you the feature. This feature, I will be publishing it on one of my unrelated websites that is dedicated to something else entirely. But once again, I want to show you that capability. Post status publish. URL should be like main keyword. Add this the first image as the featured image. Yes. And then I'll be using my API key, and I have access to GPT-4 128K, and this is only available for the API users right now. And yeah, let's hit run and see what happens. So okay, our article is ready. This is it. And I was right to choose the digital art. And now, for those of you who have missed it, SEO Writing's images are actually free. Not only that, but you can regenerate your images by clicking on the prompt and changing the prompt or the style. Or just clicking this button here, and that's going to refresh your image. So discover amazing free Claude 2 alternatives today. Key takeaways. Why Claude isn't the only option for conversational AI, but I'm actually more interested in the competitors. So Microsoft Bing AI, Perplexity AI, Google Bard AI. Nice. Okay. Jasper, ChatSonic, and Hugging Chat. I'm not sure I would have put them in the same category, but they're all relevant. Okay. Now Pi, GitHub, Copilot X. And I like how it's UChat and Quora Poll. So wow. And I actually put them in different categories. So these are the leading free alternatives. Bing, Perplexity, Google, Bard. These are business-centric AIs. I would say commercial, except for the Hugging Chat. Okay. These are your unconventional AIs. True that. And this is community-driven, Hugging Chat and Character AI. That's what I said. Hugging Chat did not belong in the previous category. But other than that, I would say this is amazing. And the only downside would be that I don't see... Oh, I can see some of my links. Oh, nice. In the same paragraph, but still. Okay. And let's just try redoing the image, just for the sake of it. And I think when you regenerate the image, the 10 tokens is deducted from your account, but that's peanuts. Okay, wow. Now let's just publish it. Oh, it should have been published already, so let's go to Science and Clues. And Science and Clues is actually an SEO writing case study, where everything was generated by the GPT 3.5 and SEO Writing, so we can check it out. Okay, nice. Yeah, and it's too bad the links are not populated correctly, but still, that was a good try. And what I love about SEO Writing and what sets it apart as well is when I go to edit post, and this is a freshly published post, so I haven't done anything yet. And yeah, as you can see, I haven't done anything, and I'm already 81 in rank math. This means that the keyword is in the title, it's in the description, it's in the URL, it appears in the first 10% of the content, it's in the content itself, and the content is 4,300 words long, and you don't have to do anything. So this is by far, people ask me about what's better, SEO writing and agility. Agility is the best choice if you know what you're doing and if you have the funds. SEO writing is hands down the best SEO writer for beginners. So now let's check readability and plagiarism, since I know I'll be asked about it. This is our content. So SEO writing is not known for the best readability, but still, plagiarism first. And since this is quite long, looks like your text is 100% original. So 0 plagiarism, nice. What about readability? And readability is mediocre. Ideally, I would love to see something above 40, but 30 is not the worst. So I would say it's in the middle. So there you have it, guys. This article is by far the best on this topic out of the tools that I've tested. It's better than Agility, it's better than Koala. It has 0% plagiarism. It does have a subpar readability, but the content itself, the depth of the content, is very, very good.